This is really beautiful, and it's a rainy day. I've never been to this place before. All the places my father and other people used to go, they never came here for some reason, and I'm here. And look at this beautiful, beautiful scene. These are water lilies, and they're just growing right here on these lily pads, as far as you can see. And I always say the water lily is a flower that grows out of the muck. It becomes this enlightened, beautiful thing. So let's take a good look at that. Stunning beauty of that. These lily pads. And they float. Wanted to share that with all you. It was kind of like in shock. I'm looking and I'm like, oh my God, that's so beautiful. It's so absolutely beautiful. Looks like the rain's going to come back. So in life, you're going to have rainy days, but those rainy days sometimes show you the things you overlooked that are in and of themselves a miracle.